Good morning, dear children. Dear children, now your exam is over and we are going to learn about new syllabus. And in English, there is an English class and we are going to learn and recite one new poem, and the poem name is Cat in a Hat. Before that, dear students, today's date is 20th of October 2020 and the day is Tuesday. Okay, dear children, in this poem, three animals are here. See, look here, some animals are already drawn on the blackboard, and animals are cat, dog and mouse. Okay, and they are going to town. Dear students, town means what? Nagpur is we live in Nagpur and Nagpur is very big city. Okay, town means what? Small city. Town means small city, and they all are going to town to get some things, enjoyable things, those they want. Okay, dear children, now I am going to recite this poem. Okay, and you have to repeat after me this poem. I am going to tell you the meaning of hard words. Okay, opposite of words in that poem, the words are there, and some rhyming words are also in the poem. Always in the poem, rhyming words are there. For example, cat, hat, C-A-T, cat, H-A-T, hat, D-O-G, dog, L-O-G, log, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, H-O-U-S-E, house, and they want all these things in the poem. So let's learn and recite the poem Cat in a Hat. Dear student, this is your English textbook. Okay, New Oxford Modern English, and we are going to learn about this poem. Take out page number 43, and the poem name is Cat in a Hat, and the poet is Nicholas Horsburgh. Dear children, I am going to recite a poem and you have to repeat after me. Okay? So the poem is, where are you going, my little cat? I am going to town to get me a hat. What? A hat for a cat? A cat get a hat? Whoever saw a cat with a hat? Now second stanza is, where are you going, my little dog? I am going to town to get me a log. Log means what? Log means a piece of wood. I am going to town to get me a log. What? A log for a dog? A dog get a log? Whoever saw a dog with a log. Now third stanza is, where are you going, my little mouse? I am going to town to get me a house. What? A house for a mouse? Whoever saw a mouse with a house? Whoever saw a mouse with a house? Dear children, the poet name is Nicholas Horsburgh. Dear children, this is your poem. Okay, Cat in a Hat. Right here, C.W. and today's date is, right date, 20th of October 2020. Okay, now already I recite a poem with you. Where are you going, my little cat? I am going to town to get me a hat. And what is the rhyming of cat? Hat. What is the rhyming of cat? Hat. What? A hat for a cat? A cat get a hat? Whoever saw a cat with a hat. Now dear children, whoever means what? Person. किसी ने कभी देखा है क्या? आप लोगों में से किसी ने देखा है कि कैट ने हैट पहनी हुई? No. Now in this stanza, a cat is being questioned where she is going, and she answered that she is going to get her hat, and she gets a hat, and she was now a cat with a hat. Dear children, this is your second stanza of poem. Now second stanza, where are you going, my little dog? I am going to town to sit on a log. What? A log for a dog? A dog get a log? Whoever saw a dog on a log? Dear children, the rhyming word of dog is log. And already I explained you what is the meaning of town. Town is a small city. Okay. And whoever means persons. In the stanza, the dog is being asked that where is he going? He answered that he is going to sit on a log. Log means what? Piece of a wood. Okay, dear children. In the third stanza, where are you going, my little mouse? I am going to town to find me a house. What? A house for a mouse? A mouse find a house? Whoever saw a mouse in a house? किसी ने कभी देखा है क्या कि माउस अपने खुद के हाउस में रहता है? वो तो हमारे ही घर में रहता है ना. So in this stanza, poet asking to a little mouse, see the mouse, where he is going. The mouse answering that I am going to town to find me a house. उसको भी house चाहिए रहने के लिए. So he is going to find a house. Okay. Dear children, this is your poem, Cat in a Hat. You have to learn this poem with a tune like me, and you know the poet name is Nicholas Horsburgh. Dear children, this is a page number 43. Now turn the page. Now some questions are here, but in the, from these questions you have to complete this question, question number 2. I know some are having books and some are not, but those who are having, they will complete this question. Now here are some animals. Can you think rhyming words for these animals? Yes. Now some animals are there. See, and some what? यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें हैं. Some many things are here. You have to match these animals with these things. For example, I am going to do one. Okay, this is fox, and you have to write one name also, F-O-X, fox. And there is a mouse, bear, a sparrow, snake, hen, fish. Okay, and these things, box, socks, bat, doormat, chair, arrow, cake, pen, and this is a bowl. Okay, now this is a box, B-O-X, box. So fox, box. Okay, like this you have to match these animals with these things, and this is a homework for you. Write H dot W dot. Now dear children, take out page number 45. See, here are some pictures, and this you have to color this picture with proper colors. Okay, color these pictures. This is also homework for you. Complete this homework. Okay, you have to what? You have to learn this poem with very fine tune, and these questions for you. Complete this. Okay, thank you dear children. Bye.